Namaste everyone, thank you very much for joining me in this sixth tutorial of Angular Crash Course. In this video, we will talk about directives. So if suppose you have to implement if control statement or for loop kind of thing, how can you do it? So with directives, it is possible. We have to simply write here ng and then if like this, and then inside these double inverted commas, we can define a condition on the basis of which we can control the text we have written inside h2. So let's say the condition is this: if the counter variable is greater than or equals to 2, then only this text should be visible to the user, otherwise it should not be. So as you can see, the text over here is now no more visible. And let me just increase the counter variable to 2, and again you can see the text getting reflected on the top. Let me change the condition to this. So as the counter variable is 3 now, that is the reason we are not able to see the text on the top. So this is how you can implement the if control statement. Let me just get rid of it and saving the changes. Now let's check out how can we do for loop. So for that we need to define an array of dictionary here like this. Here we can change the name to something else. Let's say Anubhav. His age is 35. Let's change this to Vicky and his age is 31. Right, saving the changes. Now we have to bring the dictionary over here in the front end. How can we do that? So it's very simple. We can define a tag here in which we can use ngFor let item of people, and then we can just close it like this. Right, inside h1 tag, let's put a random text. Let's say test. Now let's see what's going to happen. So as you can see, 3 different texts are visible to us on the front end. So if I just remove one, automatically the number will go down by 1. Let me just put it back. Okay, saving the changes, coming back to the HTML code. Now we have to bring the information present in the dictionaries over here. So for doing that, we can simply use these curly parentheses, and for accessing the items present in the dictionary, we can use this variable item, and then we have to write the name of the item we want to pull here on the front end. So we have 2 things here in each of these dictionaries. One is name and the second one is age. So we're going to write item.name for pulling the name, age is, and for pulling the age we can write item.age like this, saving the changes. And as you can see, the information is currently visible to us on the front end. If you have to put an if control statement inside for, so for doing that you can simply put it inside div, right, and let's just put it inside h1 tag. You can use any tag of your choice. It's not like you have to use only h1. Now here on h1 we can apply a condition, so ngIf, and then we can simply write here an expression through which we can control the visibility of this information. So as you can see, only Gaurav's information and Anubhav's age is visible to us on the front end. Let me just change the condition. So now it is 35, and now only this text is getting reflected on the front end. So this is how you can make use of directives. This is it from my side in this lecture. I will see you in the 7th lecture now. Bye bye, take care, and have a great day ahead.